What a beautiful morning! We're waiting for the sunrise. Good morning, see? Wow! Si Anjo yung wala nagkwan? Hi, Jo! Hello world! Welcome back to my channel, and this is our second day here in Boracay. What a good morning! Look at them, they're doing the Zumba while we're just having our morning stroll here in this beautiful island. And we're kind of hungry now. It's time to eat. That's our view. Ang mga golden magserapi na sa salt water. Ooh, katugnaw. Nang, hello. Napataob no? Jess, dalo na da?
Okay lang, kaya ba? Harap sa ganhi, bitaon ka.
Kung kitao si Jess eh.
Bitaon pa. Hindi ka pa din.
Ano na sa? Grabe ang klaya. Jess, tingin ka na, Jess! 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 Natulan si Jessie! Model! Practice na. Oh, may mayin asa combination asa jog. Ano? Sa likod lang sa tuba, oh, sa mga last. Ato pag sa piyak, oh. Hindi may ana pag ito sa piyak. Ini si Jessie, ya. Oh, may nagatag man to siya. Ano naman tigil ko?
Girl man na. Tapat bisa may video siya.
Correct, oh?
Tapat bisa. 5,000 mo, isa lang ka lobster.
1 kilo.
Buhay kami na busog.
1 kilo?
Hindi ka kapagustos sa seafood niya. Oo, kani.
Rafa, thank you so much.
Manamit.
May 3 to 4
Yes, tanan manamit.
Day, Rafa.
Gamit na, malasa pa.
Diba kilala ka?
Kilala ka kila, di ba?
Classmate, classmate.
Transferin sa Rafa.
From Harvard. Transferring from Harvard. Turo namin, kasi Joyce kila.
Birahi ah.
You will know that it's already station 1. Okay. The suns are so fine. Oh. Mangroves. Grabe, no? Protect Boracay, preserve the mangroves, plant a tree. Panalo, isang hangin ba? Amo to gurong balay ni Pacquiao ay. Tanawan ni bala? Ato balang kuano? Hindi itong daw bala kuano, sa nagdanan.
Di ko yung isuga. Buot sa ako niya. Boom! 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 Okay, say hi muna guys. Okay, sabay group hug. Okay, tingin sa dagat. Turo ang dagat. Ayun, very good. Natuto na sila. And sabay peace sign. Okay. And another one. Say ha ha ha. Wow. And another one. Say rar. Ayun, nangangain sila. And another one. Sabay-sabay naman tayo ng wah. Wah. Okay. And sabay-sabay. Bleh. Oh, nagpahinto naman ka mo. Ma'am, halika dito sa gitna, ma'am. Woo! Oo, wala problema. Utang na wala problema. Buong kayo Mumbai, wala kuya ka pa utang. Sige, point nyo lang yung mga paa nyo, girls. At boys, brusko tayo muna. Yun. Okay, one step forward, girls. Ikot ka mo, Danay. Tapos flying kiss, Drio. Saan ka flying kiss? Lapit sa akin. Takpan yung camera. Hawa.
Ang mga age na pasta.
Wala nang
A quick tour here sa Boracay, guys. We just learned, guys, that buying a property here is so insane. You know how much? It's 200,000 per square meter.
Nag-enjoy ba ka ba?
Ano? Yung bang drone? Abi kami naman, be.
Welcome po tayo, ma'am. Welcome po. Okay, group hug. Group hug. Hindi tayo kayo, ma'am. Tayo. Tayo. Welcome. Welcome. ma'am, talon. 1, 2, 3, jump. Isa pa, one more. 1, 2, 3, jump. Say, hey! Come on. Come on. Say bye. Bye.
They said don't leave Boracay without trying this.
Buko pandan.
Hello.
Hi. Yummy.
Wow! One of the most beautiful sunsets I've ever seen.
Mga busog daw ka nun. So, mag-abo
No,
kami.
thank you.
Ah?
Bye-bye, beautiful Boracay. Thank you, friends, for the wonderful time. Thank you, world. Take care, everyone. Bye. See you next time. Up next, my trip to Rojas City.
Sa mga talabama mo na pag mauna makadikit ang talaba o ang tahong, hindi makapenetrate may pagdikit ang talaba.
Santa Monica Church here in Rojas City. Oops, I thought it's the end na. May pa-surprise gali.
Yes, this is your post-birthday celebration according to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. wish. Uy, hindi makuha. Kulang wish mo? Kumuha na. Lug-lug. Yay!
Happy
Speech
to everyone. Thank you so much for coming here in Boracay. And thank you for having like to dress up like that. Yeah. That's why you're dressed like that.
It's a very special occasion.
It's a very special occasion.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for remembering my birthday last December.
Up to now, grabe na ginayang birthday celebration.
Birthday celebration.
Months
no?
long ginaya.
Anyway, thank you for coming over and thank you for spending a vacation with me here in Boracay.
Success.
Bora?
Isa ka
Yes. Siya nga matinik na, ate.
Why siya nakibot
Galing
na?
yung
Pagwa,
pagwa yung blanan, tao sa size kayo.
Thank you friends sa pa-surprise.